In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format an SD card on Mac. So as you can see, I have an external SD card here connected on my Mac. And if you haven't connected, you just need to connect it, and then it will appear around here under the locations. So the one way to do it is that you select all your files, then you just go action, and you can just move them into a bin. So to completely format the card, we need to use a tool called Disk Utility. We need to find it here. So under the external menu, if you have an external SD card connected, you will see that it appears here. So select it, and then you go here to erase, click on that, and just hit erase. It may take some time depending on the file size. It's almost done. There it is. Right, so now I'm going back to here. As you can see, I don't have any file here right now. So friends, this is how you can format your SD card on Mac. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.